In this quick tutorial, we will take a look at the SliceX Glow Mask Shape effect to make this wolf's eyes glow mysteriously. From the Final Cut Pro effects panel, add the C2 SliceX 4 Glow Shape Mask effect. Click the Open Editor button. The editor opens with the default mask shape applied to demonstrate the effect. To draw a new mask, click on one of the shape tools. In this case, the polygon tool will do fine. We are going to make his eyes glow as though he is some sort of demon dog or werewolf. So let's trace around one of the eyes using the polygon tool. Hit Enter to close the shape. We want the glow to expand a little bit outside the edge of the eye and into the surrounding fur, so drag the corner of the transform handle and scale it up a bit. Now select the Glow Shape Mask layer, and we can see there are a lot of parameters to play with down here. The trick is to have fun experimenting to find the look you like. A lot of this is highly dependent on the dominant colors within the source footage, so it's always worth trying different values. The tint color is usually the most obvious adjustment. In this case, I want a dark red glow, so change the color to red and increase the tint intensity. We can adjust glow low and glow high to set the range of the luminance levels the glow will originate from. Boost up the brightness and the saturation. You can zoom in for a closer look and select the pan tool to move around the image. And then continue to tweak the settings to get the look you are after. We could have just as easily have done our tracking before we started working on the look of the effect, but this is fine as well. Now let's go ahead and track the eye. Go ahead and save changes, which now brings us back out to the timeline. To finish the shot, we would copy and paste the Glow Shape Mask effect, then adjust the shape mask for the second eye in the Glow Shape Mask editor and retrack it. This will ensure the same look settings are maintained. For the final edit, we can cross-dissolve between the original shot and the shot with the Glow Mask Shape effects applied. SliceX 4 runs on both Intel and Apple Silicon systems. Check out the free SliceX trial if you haven't already.